How was it for you guys developing a 3D printable concrete?
In Ireland, we would produce well over 1 million cubic meters of concrete a year. And that would range from your 150 Newton all the way down to your 7 Newton pumped concrete, curb concrete, extruded concrete for every application, bridges, roads, housing, commercial. Our concrete goes into all the builds.
Yeah.
We have a big knowledge base about concrete, and we do several different mixes and several different mix designs, numerous. I think there's over 1,000 different mix designs on our batching system. After attending the 3-day course with HTL about what 3D printed concrete was, that gave me a knowledge base that then I could come back, go through my mixes, decide on the mix, develop that. We make so much concrete, it wasn't all that hard once we knew what admixtures and additions, the solution to getting it. It was something that was, I suppose, easy enough, but at the same time, we have a team here in Roadstone. There's Colin Heffernan, William Wilson, Tom Burke and myself, probably 120 years experience between us. And then we can also rely on our admixture suppliers to discuss things with them. We can tap into the wider CRH group for their knowledge on mixes.
Yeah.
So, we have a very big knowledge bank that we can tap into.
I must say, certainly from our side, we could see that, we could feel that. The process, I think it was about 4 months.
At our meeting, at the end of January, first week in February of last year, I think we were printing concrete within 3 to 4 months. The concrete we supplied printed. There was no redesigning, no, that's not working. From day one, we got
skeleton was good, basically.
The mix was fairly standard in one way, but then the admixtures wouldn't be standard. It pumps 70 meters and then it has to set and carry its own weight within probably 10 minutes of being cast. It's carrying its own weight again. Those type of properties wouldn't be standard. Shuttering would stay up for 24 hours, between 14 and 24 hours, depending on weather conditions, where there's no shutter involved in a 3D printed thing. So it's carrying its own weight and maintaining its own shape, and you're doing layer after layer. So you have to get the properties of the concrete right and then use admixtures to make the concrete do what you want it to do so you can print.
Exactly.
But that knowledge base, again, we had experience of a similar concrete, and then we could tap into our admixture supplier master builders, to get the admixtures we wanted. We had a fair idea of what we wanted to do, so it was easy when we got master builders on board with the admixtures then.